Alright, saber fans, I got another saber here. This one is again a Saberforge, and I have modified it with a Spark 2 board. So it has 3 different color sets, 3 different sound sets. This one does come with blade plug from Saberforge. I have the buttons I have not fastened in yet, but I will have them fastened in. So it has one momentary button, recharge port with kill key. Remove the kill key, that energizes the blade. The blade saber does come with a charger. It will come with a blade that I will cut to length. So you roughly 32 to 36 inches is probably where you want to be. And I do fill the blade, and it produces a very nice even light, as you'll see. This is a blade for one of my other sabers I'll use as an example. And of course the Allen key to remove the blade plug. The LED module itself, you won't want to touch that. So to activate the saber, we'll remove the plug. Okay, so we've dropped the light down just a little so you can see the color a little bit. Again, there will be 3 separate colors that I've configured. The LED internally is a royal blue, blue, and green. It does have flash on clash, which nice feature. Lockup effect, blaster deflections. It does have the CoverTech clip. I don't have the CoverTech belt clip, but you could add that if you would like. That's a couple of places I could recommend. Also, the sound fonts are default from the NEC, the Spark 2 manufacturer. If you wanted a particular sound font, we could get that from Saberfont. We have to buy that for your saber. It'd be nice and legal, and I can install that ahead of time. If you want the colors mixed up with different sounds than what I have chosen, just let me know. When the auction is won, I allow 1 day so that I can cut the blade and prepare it and fill it so that it's ready to go. And then once that guy's done, I ship it out. So in that time period, I could also modify the sound color combos. With that said, we'll remove the kill key. And again, fasten these down. Haven't done that yet. So this is the first font. This is a strong royal blue blue combination. Has a great sound. The font is the father-son font. You see there your Saberforge plug. Blaster deflections. See if I can get a clash here. There's the force lockup effect. And that's just a really solid sound font, similar to Empire Strikes Back Luke, Return of the Jedi Luke. It's got a real punch.
Essence, Episode 1.
This one's got a little more rumble, a little more bass. The color, really unique. This is kind of a cyan color. Blaster deflections. Want a little darker blue for the deflections. There's lockup. Be a little easier to show clash with the blade.
Essence. Essence. Episode 2.
And this is Empire Strikes Back style font, more of a Vader font, and this is a pure green. You've got blaster deflections coming in as a light green. Same for clash. Force lockup. When you're not using the saber, install the kill key. De-energizes the hilt. And with that, we'll go ahead and add a blade. Take a look at it. So this is with the blade, a little easier to see the clash with the blade. You see, pretty nice even distribution. It's got a little bit of a pulse to it, which is nice. That's configurable, but I like having that pulse. There's our clash.
function.
And hopefully this comes through on camera.
Essence. Episode 1.
It's always easier to see these colors up close. There's the cyan, really pretty, light blue. It's probably my favorite sound, the lockup.
Essence.
And here's your blaster reflections. Lockup. Now these sounds are configurable, so you could change the colors on the sound fonts. And I will send, if you do want to do that, I'll send a separate video for how to access the SD card and to do it safely. But it is possible to, to modify those fonts. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask.